His kiss is sweet, his word is kind, his love is rich to me. I could not in a palace find a truer heart than he. The eagle shelters not his nest from hurricane and hail. More bravely than he guards my breast, the boatman of Kinsale. The wind that round the fastnet sweeps is not a whit more pure. The goad that down Knockshee leaps has not a foot more sure. No firmer hand nor freer eye e'er faced an autumn gale. De Courcy's heart is not so high, the boatman of Kinsale. The brawling squires may heed him not, the dainty strangers sneer. But who will dare to hurt our cot when Miles O'Hee is here? The scarlet soldiers pass along, they'd like but fear to rail. His blood is hot, his blow is strong, the boatman of Kinsale. His hookers in the silly van when sails are in the foam. But money never made the man, nor wealth a happy home. So blessed with love and liberty, while he can trim the sail, he'll trust in God and cling to me, the boatman of Kinsale.